Hi guys, this is Filipinaraqueldelosantos. I'm in the car. My car won't start. Watch. Doesn't. I don't know what's going on. Oh, help. I already opened. I put already water in my car and it's not even working. See? I don't know. I put water. There's water there already. But I can't go nowhere. I'm about to. Oops. I'm about to go to my son's school, but this is not working. I don't know what's really going on. It's crazy, guys. I don't know what to do. I'll try one more time again. I surrender. Maybe I should take a ride. Look at me. I look like shit now. It won't start. I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't know.